How to check if your PayPal account is verified. So first you have to go to paypal.com and sign into your account. And the first thing you'll need to check is if your email is confirmed. You can click on the settings icon at the top bar here. And on the account tab, you can simply check your emails if they are verified. Otherwise, it will tell you to verify your email as well as phone number. And if all of these infos are good, you can go back to the wallet by clicking on the wallet from the top bar here. And then you want to make sure that you have your bank account linked and verified as the one similar to this one here. You should also have a credit card linked and verified, otherwise it will require you to verify the card. And once you have both of these, you can also check if you have any notifications by clicking on the notifications icon here. And if you have any notifications or inbox messages regarding verifications, such as updating identity documents or stuff like that, you should finish them from here. Otherwise, if you don't have nothing, that means your account is fully verified. And if they require any additional verifications, you should get a notification on this tab right here. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.